Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Motor Beast. Please subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, link in the description.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Motor Beast. As you can get from the thumbnail, this is going to be a Java pack, very nice and power cruiser, you can say. So awesome look, and first is first, coming to the headlights. I'm so much excited to vlog this vehicle because see the design of the vehicle, very nice. It's exactly bobber design. You have to want to ride a bobber vehicle, and definitely you should be go to this vehicle. So it's a cheaper price and you get excellent features, and pickup capacity. Pickup is very nice on this vehicle. And coming to the first is first, wow. So these are the headlights. So it's very hot now. Very soon it is very becoming very hot, and the glass finish of this vehicle is very thin, and Java written on the detail here you can see. So it's very difficult, and no LED DRS running projector setup, and only a bulb halogen at the front headlights. And here you can see in detail, this is a horn of the vehicle, very small sound. This horn is not enough for this vehicle, and this is the number plate position at the front, and this is the front position, very nice. See the shock absorbers at the front, telescopic shock absorbers. Two colors of the telescopic shock absorbers here. You can see shining black finish at the upper side, and you get matte finish at the lower side, very nice. And see the disc size at the front, very nice, 180 mm of disc size with ABS dual channel bi-brake disc size at the front. And these are the Seat tires, and the profile of the tire is 190 18 inches tires, massive enough of this cruiser bobber vehicle, and it's a cruiser vehicle, I can say. And some difficulties on riding position I will say afterwards. And see the tire profile of the vehicle, very nice. And here you can see in detail how the design of the drum made by this spoke wheels, very nice design, and nice treatment of the front tire, very nice finishing, and black spokes, attractive look and neat finish of this bobber vehicle. I mean cruiser vehicle of this vehicle. I'm saying bobber many times because the position of the vehicle is very nice. And here you can see the indicators, very small but very nice. No LEDs on indicators, also bulbs, and the key position is here. So this is the key position of the vehicle to handle lock and start of the vehicle. So for the 42 of Java also same position, and no change in this. So this is a liquid cool engine. So there you can see the radiator of the front vehicle, attractive design and look of this vehicle coming from this radiator only. So very massive enough of radiator, very nice. And here you can see the liquid cool capacity of liquid cool is placed under the radiator. So this is the silencer position. So some of pop sounds and hack sounds on the silencer I will show after that. So this is the key of Java. And here you can see the fan of the radiator, huge size of the ventilator fan at the front. So it will be obviously wanted of this vehicle because it is a liquid cool engine, and very soon heat up of this engine. So this is the engine position, Java written matte black finish of engine treatment. So nice treatment of engine. So again detail you can see the Java. This is a two parts of engine. This is a cylinder, and other side here you can see the placement of engine. So here you can see the rear brake position, liquid is given here. Very nice treatment at the front, and nice quality of plastics and metals are used in this vehicle, very nice. And here you can see that this part is very nice, and nice position to keep the legs at the front. This is a single seater, no pillion seat on this vehicle offer. So coming to here you can see the rear brake pedal, and here you can see the front foot pegs. So no rear foot pegs at here, only front foot pegs. So if you want to add a pillion seat you can add, but the complete design of the vehicle will be lost. And silencer is very nice. It's look like of the market, I mean of the market silencer, and it looked like customized bike. It looked like customized bike, but company Java is giving this design of Java Prac. Wow, wanted to drive this cruiser vehicle exactly of Bobber design, so definitely go to this vehicle. So it's not a customized bike, only a Java will produce all of these off the market like accessories. So nice treatment, and see the seat color, very nice brown finish. So it's not a brown, light brown finish and wood finish of seat, so it's not wood, leather finish, and nice cushion on offer, very nice long dress. You can travel easily of this cushion, so it will not harm to your bumps. And coming to shock absorber, here you can see the shock absorber position, very nice, very nice, very nice, attractive design of shock absorber, see black finish of shock absorber, very nice. And coming to here, you can see how the silencer are made, design customized. It's like of the market silencer customized design, so not at all. And it's a Java has done this bike for who are interested in cruiser exactly position. And this is a disc size of 130 mm of rear disc, and obviously ABS on this brake, both the brakes dual channel ABS, and position is very nice. The rear disc brake is done. And coming to here, tire profile of the rear is 140 70 17 inches tires, again 17 inches tires, front as 18 inches, rear as a 17 inches. 1 inch has decreased from the front to rear because of cruiser position, exactly what should have come output. So this is the rear tire, and see the tire and the body of mudguard of the rear size, very low, and not at all difficult in the speed breakers and off-roads. So it's not an off-road vehicle too, it's a cruiser vehicle to cruise a bike in the highway. So this is a rear position of the Java Prac, and here you can see the number plate position is given here, so very lower side, and reflector is given below to that in the number plate position. And this is the indicator positions, and very nice indicator position, and lot of space on the mudguard, rear mudguard. So to install the, if you want to optional of pillion seat, you can definitely install of this pillion seat. And coming to here, this is a chain drive vehicle, lot of maintenance of the chain drive vehicles to lubricant regularly, and some cover of plastic treatment on the chain, so it's better. And see the way the design of shock absorber, rear shock absorber of the holder, very nice, and nice finish. So it's look like handmade of this, very nice treatment. And this is a box for one side of to give the documentation, and other side for fuel plug. And I like the design of this seat. So here you can see the LEDs on tail light, very nice. So dots on tail light, so this tail light is fixed to this seat. So exactly customized vehicle, it's look like customized vehicle and of the market accessories, but not at all. I'm saying many times, but it's look like that. And see the tail light on LEDs, very nice look, very nice look. So this is a look of vehicle from the rear of owning the taillights, very nice. It's look like flower treatment on the taillight. I like the excellent, obviously excellent, I can say. So coming to here, on the other side there are twin exhaust. So again here you can see the another side of exhaust, so nice. I like the silencer sound in this vehicle, excellent, I can say. I'm saying excellent because this vehicle is excellent, but only some disappointing me, I will say, in the test drive that. So Java badge written here again in detail with the 3 lines treatment of golden design. And so this in this vehicle not written Java many there many times, so only Prac written on the fuel tank. So this is a fuel tank, so it's a 14 liters of fuel capacity of this vehicle. So chrome finish of fuel lid, very nice, and Java motorcycles written on the chrome treatment of fuel lid, very nice. And coming to other part, this is a side view mirrors, very nice, and it's look like off the market or customized side view mirrors, but many of they want to do customized of these cruiser vehicles like Royal Enfield and Java etc vehicles like Benelli bikes. So but these Java producers to almost customized in this Prac vehicle, very nice. And see the way of round design, huge design of side view mirrors, very nice. So coming to the handlebars, here you can see the horn is smaller and it should be much louder of this cruiser vehicle. So indicator position is here, high beam and low beam. Here you can see the pass light switch here. And coming to the other handlebars, here you can see the engine kill switch and startup button is given here. So startup button is given here, self start button is given here. So position of the handlebars is very nice, but in riding position the weight of the vehicle is somehow 30% of the weight is falling on handlebars, I will say that. And coming to the instrument cluster, so this is the instrument cluster. So full swipe of instrument cluster and lot of information of this instrument cluster. No digital meter, only small digital meter is given here. So in detail here you can see. So this is a speedometer, no RPM meter in this vehicle. So this is a fuel gauge. One plus point to compared to Royal Enfield vehicles, the fuel gauge is given here, and fuel indication is given here, light, and neutral indication, gear indication, and engine heat up and cool. So this is a ABS light blinking here. So Java written on the middle, very nice treatment of Java written, and small digital digital meter like odometer, trip A, trip B, etc. is given here. So round meter of instrument cluster, very nice. So overall this is a handle position and front headlight position. Also in headlight only handlebars are fixed and instrument cluster is fixed. Lot of treatments are fixed in this only a single part system. So because of that also positioned some of weight is falling on these handlebars, so I don't like that, I will say. So overall color treatment is very nice, only a single color in this vehicle. I mean two colors, green and black treatment. So this is a black treatment. I like this black treatment of this vehicle, so that's why I pick up this vehicle. And here you can see Java, exactly cruiser vehicle. So lot of students and who are interested in cruiser exactly vehicle of Bobber design, they will buy the vehicle of some other companies and they'll go to off the market, and lot of installations of off the market. But in this vehicle Java is producing all the features which we want in cruiser vehicle of the market, accessories, customized vehicle. So see that height of the seat and body level, very nice treatment, and the cushion is very nice on this seat. And only a single seater of this vehicle is this, and this is a walk around video of Java Perak. And so that is a Benelli bike that going. So this is a Java Perak walk around video. So if you like, please give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, follow me on Instagram, link in the description. So let's go to test drive and see.